My name is Wahida. I'm from Malaysia.
Okay.
And this is my first time to India.
Okay.
And my first time to Kashmir.
Oh, great.
All the while I was thinking that maybe one day I will be in India. And this is the first time I'll be in India.
A group of 71 people who have traveled all along the way from Malaysia for the tour, 6 days, 5 nights, in which they are covering Delhi, Kashmir and Agra. But in this tour, Kashmir is the main place because they are staying 3 nights in Kashmir. But for this particular tour, our aim was to make a distinction actually. For this tour, this is the reason that we have arranged this exclusive dinner in which we have portrayed our tradition and the culture in front of these guests, so that they will come to know, because till now all the travel agents have been busy to promote Gulmarg and Pahalgam, but nobody has looked back to see how beautiful our culture is and how nice our tradition is. So these things have been lacked, that we want to fill up that gap. So inshallah, this is the first time attempt that we have made, and we hope that this is going to make a bright future for the tourism of Kashmir.
Very, very nice place, and the food also very good. This is very good. At least we know your culture here. You see?
At this moment, I feel Kashmir is safe for tourism. We come here just for come and see the beauty of Kashmir, and I also interested for agriculture in Kashmir. It's very interesting. It's very culture, and the tourism I think is very good right now. At this moment, I rate it's a 5 star.